At some point, centuries ago, humans realized there was a relationship between hygiene and survival. Thus began the age of chemical decontamination. Primitive at first, advances in soaps, detergents, bleaches, quats, and oxidizers followed. More and more, humanity had its microbiological menaces under control. Or so it seemed. The prevailing wisdom that these potions and a good bit of scrubbing were enough to keep pathogens at bay seemed convincing. But a funny thing happened. Regardless of the advances, the pathogens seemed to keep getting smarter. We didn't realize it, but we were fighting a losing battle then, one we are still losing today. The idea that antimicrobial and antibiotic chemistry alone is enough to outsmart the pathogens turned out to be dead wrong. These solutions and techniques, while somewhat effective, simply cannot finish the job. The primary reason is biofilm. It's invisible, everywhere, virtually indestructible, and it serves as a fortress where destructive pathogens can flourish. Biofilm is the ultimate shield protecting them. Chemistry alone is no match. That's why, despite all our advances, people and livestock continue to get sick. The problem we discovered is that traditional cleaners have attempted to use only chemistry to solve what is essentially a chemical and biological problem. By adding a biological component to the cleaning process, in the form of probiotics, it's actually possible to block and eliminate harmful pathogens. Z BioScience's probiotic products represent the first major technological breakthrough in cleaning in centuries. We've bioengineered a safer, healthier, and longer-lasting level of true clean by delivering enzymes and probiotics onto the biofilm and then colonizing it with a protective layer of healthy probiotic bacteria. The implications for livestock alone are staggering. Elimination of antibiotics and toxic chemicals, lower mortality rates, increased weight gain, improved feed conversion, and reduced overall production costs. It's safe, proven, easy to use, and works in all environments. And unlike traditional cleaners, it's proven to have long-term effectiveness against salmonella, staph, E. coli, and other harmful pathogens. And Z BioScience's environmentally friendly line of probiotic products is proven to maintain higher levels of true clean by providing a longer-lasting shield against harmful pathogens.